I'm in my Enviz model and I want to experiment with a couple of different styles in my kitchen. So I've navigated to a spot where I would like to generate my renders from. And what I'm going to do is add a reference image. So if I come here and select upload an image and select this one that I've downloaded, and I'm just going to ask the AI to generate a photorealistic render of this kitchen and apply the attached image. Apply the, let's go apply the style of the attached image. And I'm just going to submit. Okay, so once it's generated, I can click over on the side here and I can see this one, it's actually changed the structure a little bit. But this one here and this one, it's kept the structure of the kitchen. I quite like this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download that one as a upscale quality. And whilst that's downloading, I am going to apply another style. So if I click back up here and click on edit, what I can do is generate another render based off this image. And what I've done here is I've just favorited this prompt so I don't have to type it out again and you don't have to watch me do that. So what I'm going to do is upload another image. So I've got this one here as a reference. And if I click this little plus sign again from my favorites, the prompt that I just saved there, I can use that prompt. And I'm just going to send that one. And then we'll wait for it to generate. Okay, and here you can see my result. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do this with another couple of reference images and then come back and show you the final results. So let's see the results that I was able to get by uploading a couple of different reference images. So as you can see here, this is my chat history, but let me just jump in and show you what I was able to produce. So these are the first ones that we did together. And then I went ahead and uploaded a different one, a darker, moodier kind of kitchen and a more Scandinavian style. So you can see how you can quickly iterate and just try out different styles really quickly.